Look at this view. Isn't it beautiful? Just pan around here so you can see the lake. There's a couple of docks over there. Gonna hopefully get some magnet fishing in too while we're here. We are at Thomas Hill Reservoir. This is a conservation area, and there's probably, I would say, 15 or so campsites here. This is completely free, no hookups, but it is free. You get these little covered picnic tables and fire rings, even though, our fire ring's missing. We didn't notice that when we pulled in this spot, but that's okay. I will sacrifice the fire ring to get this amazing view out my door. This is a beautiful spot. We're here for the weekend. Gonna have some burgers and dogs. Hear that sizzle? Sizzle, sizzle. See my mic?
Catch it on fire.
No, don't want to catch it on fire. Pause this video just for a second here so that I can give a little bit of a shout out. So I won something on His Way Homestead live stream, and I would just like to say, and that's probably backwards, it says welcome to the Brotherhood of the Hats. I am finally a brother, and I could not be more excited. But also, bonus, he put freeze-dried Skittles in the box. Let me tell you, these things are pretty good. We got these solar panels from a good friend of ours. There's actually two more, but we only brought these two. We have not used these yet. This is the first time. And they came with this little power pack, which was still charged and from when she had used it, and so we brought that with us, and we used that all night last night, and that worked really great, running our little USB fan. And what else did we run on that? Oh, the sound machine, and we charged both of our cell phones, and it only dropped down like 1 bar or something like that. But we're gonna try charging it today because we want to test out these solar panels because we haven't used them yet. Now, unfortunately, at the moment, it's a little cloudy, but it's supposed to clear up and be pretty warm today. So hopefully we'll get enough sun to charge that back up, because we're kind of excited to use them. And we thank said friend for giving those to us. I'm not going to mention names. She'll know who she is. Alright, we're going to walk around and show you the campsites a little bit. I'll spin back this way. Hold on, I'm spinning. Okay, so there's ours, and we're number 4. And there's you can see the boat ramp and the boat dock, fishing dock. And it looks like there's a cleaning station, a fish cleaning station. So it looks like all of these sites down here, and I'm saying down here because there's an upper level also. We're going to get up there here in a little bit. But all of these down here come with picnic table, fire ring, covered picnic table. So there's your rule sign. Number 1 is awesome. Camping is free. And of course you can have pets. I mean, it's all like, you know, your typical rules. But this is the upper campground. Whoops, the wind just grabbed my mic there. This is the upper campground. I call it the overflow. Because you know all the ones down by the lake's probably going to fill up first, so then they have these up here, which are still really nice spots. Because as we were walking up here, we were kind of like, well, gosh, look at the view of the lake. I mean, you still get a really great view. So as we walk back down the hill towards our campsite, you can see here's another one. And then there's ADA accessible. Yeah, they gave it a concrete pad. It's the only one that has the concrete pad. I kind of like this spot. I thought this was a pretty good little spot. Little unlevel.
Small.
Speaking of that, yes, most of these are very small. Now, like the one that guy there with the pop-up is in, you can see that one actually is a pretty good size. Yeah, you could probably get a nice Class A in there. No hookups. I think I said that already, but no hookups. This is dry camping, so be prepared to come with your own source of energy. There is, did you say there's 2 water spigots?
Yep.
We don't know if they're on. We didn't test to see, but there are a couple of water spigots. There's no dump station or anything like that. This is, I mean, it's bare minimum. But I mean, goodness, is it not worth it to get that beautiful lake view and these spots that are nice and, you know, distanced from the other spots? Because even these that look sort of close together aren't really all that close together. So you've got quite, yeah, they're really small, super small spots there, but they're nice and spaced apart. And there's even, I don't know if I got that one, there's one right there, and then there's another one right there, as we started like with that one. I didn't notice, and it's probably on that sign that I showed, if there was a stay limit.
And always 14 days.
I think 14 is the pretty much the common, so I would imagine 14 days is probably the limit here too. This place is about, what, 12-15 miles from the nearest good-sized town. So you would have to, you'd want to either make sure you bring, and it's down a little country road that's hilly and curvy, and so you want to make sure you bring everything with you that you need. I mean, if you had to go to a town, to a store, it is only about 15 miles away, but if you don't have to do it, I mean, it's better to just come prepared with everything that you're going to need.